Is Revit good for interior design? Let's find out. Autodesk's Revit is a powerful BIM, Building Information Modeling software, widely used in architecture, but for interior design, it's a game changer. Revit lets you create detailed 3D models from furniture placement to material selections. Its real-time rendering helps visualize spaces instantly. With Revit, you can generate precise floor plans, elevations, and schedules for materials or furnishings, all in one model. It streamlines coordination with architects and contractors. Need client-ready visuals? Revit's rendering tools produce stunning images and walkthroughs that sell your vision. Compared to SketchUp or AutoCAD, Revit's strength is in its data-driven workflow, but it has a steeper learning curve and can feel complex for smaller projects. For large-scale or collaborative projects, Revit shines keeping everyone on the same page. For quick sketches or solo work, you might prefer lighter tools. So, is Revit good for interior design? Absolutely. If you're tackling detailed, data-heavy projects and want precision. For simpler tasks, explore other options. Ready to design? Let Revit bring your ideas to life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.